Hi everyone, let's continue with the next lecture. Here I will show you how to create a door schedule and introduce some editing tips that you can use later. First, let's create a new schedule like before. And here I'm going to choose doors for the category. Then we need to add some fields, and I'm going to use family and type, count, width, cost, and level. Then I'll move the level field one place up, switching with cost, and click on OK. Now I'm going to open the properties window and sort the schedule by level. I'll add a header, and this time I'll also check the blank line box. Once I confirm these choices, you will see that it adds an empty row between the different level groups here, and I prefer this for better readability. Now this is important. If you look at the table, you will notice that every instance is listed separately, even though one of the doors repeat multiple times. This means it would be more useful to group similar instances together. To do that, I'll remove the Itemize Every Instance option, but if I just click on OK, I can see that I combined and counted all elements in each floor. Basically, I also need to sort by family and type to display the different door families correctly. Now it's fine. So feel free to adjust the cell's width, or you can even change the title of this schedule by clicking here. But I don't need to modify it now, so I just press escape. Another feature is changing the type of door directly within the schedule. With that action, it would automatically update them in the project views. Next, I will show you how to add costs to the table and calculate the totals. Let's open the ground floor view and place the window next to the schedule. Select the exterior door, open the type properties, and scroll down until you find the Identity Data section. You'll see the cost parameter. Click on it and enter a value, for example 700. Click OK to confirm it, and you can see it updating automatically in the table. Next, you can enter values for other door types directly in the schedule. Let's enter 250 for the interior doors. This change will be applied to all doors of this type. Click OK, and you will see that the cost automatically updates for the same type on the first floor. Finally, let's insert 600 for the remaining door, and click OK again. Now just a quick note, these values are examples and don't follow any specific criteria. After inserting the costs, we are going to learn to add a currency to our project. Click the Manage tab on the ribbon and then select Project Units. Then click on Currency to edit it. And we can change the unit symbol to the one that we want, and in this case, this one for euros. Click OK and close the windows. And now we can see the symbol of euro displayed next to each value. But alternatively, we can add the euro symbol in the title. I'm going to click on Cost and type it here in brackets. Then I'm going to do the same also for the width, but type the symbol of millimeters, because it's the unit set for the length. Okay, finally I go back to the project units and remove the currency symbol, because in this project I decided to display it only in the title. Finally, let's calculate the sum of these values and display them as totals. This time we will go to the Formatting tab, select Cost, and in the Calculation tab, change it to Calculate Totals. Then go to the Sorting Grouping tab, add the footer for levels with the title and totals to display the calculations under each group. Lastly, activate the Grand Totals option without title and totals and click on OK here. Now we can see the costs multiplied by the number of items, the totals for each floor, and the overall grand total.